is the Lockley Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by PinGenie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. Digits are distributed randomly across 4 buttons and are different every time, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. Our Bluetooth-powered smart locks can be unlocked conveniently with our mobile app. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes, and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockley's patent-pending offline access code, Lockley is the only smart lock in the world that does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. With all this technology, you can also unlock the smart lock with a physical key. Lockley Secure works universally for most doors and is available in deadbolt and latch editions. Lockley, come home secure, essential to every household.
Hiding keys for guests? Now that's something we can bury forever. With a Yale Assure Lock connected by August, create virtual keys for people you trust. Grant access for a few hours, a few weeks, or forever. You decide. The Yale Assure Lock and levers come in various finishes to fit any style of door.
Smonet's Smart Door Lock comes in 2 colors, silver and black. We've only got the black version here. The interior piece is about 6 inches tall, where the exterior piece is around 5 inches tall, with 3 inches of that for the touchpad. The touchpad is OLED and lights up blue so the numbers are easy to see at night. The entire thing is made of a strong zinc alloy with copper color around the edges that with the curved bezels give the lock a classic elegant feel. Smonet Smart Lock fits better with most doors' designs. And since it has a dark color, it's not going to discolor after being outside for a long time. So there are a lot of ways you can unlock this smart lock. And I mean a lot. So you can unlock it with your phone or a smartwatch, or you can unlock it with a passcode, an e-key, or you can even unlock it with a physical key if you prefer. The lock is powered by 4 AA batteries, which the company says will last 5,000 opens or about 6 months.